In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or export a document from the Grammarly editor in your browser. Whether you're finalizing an important report, preparing an article for submission, or simply organizing your notes, being able to effortlessly download your polished document from Grammarly is key. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure it's absolutely clear and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to sign in to your account on Grammarly by heading over to app.grammarly.com. Once you've signed in, locate the document you need by browsing your list of documents and open it within the Grammarly editor. The editor will give you access to all the essential tools Grammarly offers for improving your text, from basic grammar tweaks to more advanced style suggestions. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the editor. There, you'll spot the menu icon, which typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. It's commonly referred to as a hamburger menu because of its resemblance to a sandwich. Click on this menu icon. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you a few different options related to your document. Your focus should be on the download option within this menu. By selecting Download, you're instructing Grammarly to prepare your document for download in the chosen file format. Now, if you initially uploaded a document in a standard processed text format, like a .docx or .doc file, Grammarly usually accommodates this by allowing you to download the edited document in the same format you started with. This feature ensures you maintain document compatibility and integrity, especially if you need to make further edits in word processing programs like Microsoft Word or Google Docs after downloading. However, there is an important consideration if you began your work with a plain text file, known as a .txt file. In this scenario, the download option pivots slightly. Rather than offering multiple formats, the edited document will only be available for download as a .txt file. This is something to keep in mind, especially when planning your work with specific file type requirements. With these steps, downloading your document becomes a simple process, enabling you to take your revised work offline or share it with others in just a few clicks. Remember, the ability to seamlessly export your meticulously revised documents is one of the great conveniences that Grammarly offers, making your writing and editing process more efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to exporting your Grammarly editor document. I hope this walkthrough has been useful, and you're now ready to manage your documents like a pro. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and step-by-step guides on maximizing your productivity with Grammarly and other online tools. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.